Students, today we will discuss about the two types of methods of maintaining the partner's capital accounts, the fluctuating capital method and the fixed capital method. You see what happens that as far as the fluctuating capital methodology is concerned, in fluctuating method, all of the appropriations which we have already discussed, which are in the form of the interest on drawings, interest on partner's capital, then partner's salary, partner's commission, all of these adjustments or all of these appropriations which are related with the partners, these all appropriations are handled with the help of the capital account itself, the partner's capital account. So all of these appropriations are handled with the help of the capital accounts, and therefore their balances fluctuates, and that's why it is known by the name of fluctuating capital method. Because with each and every with the insertion of each and every appropriation, what will happen? The balance of the capital account will not remain intact and it will change accordingly. So one thing is there that the appropriations in one account is maintained, and that is maintained with the help of the capital account. However, in fixed method, what happens that the capitals of the partners remain intact and it does not change. And for this purpose, what is there? Two accounts are maintained. One is capital account, which remains intact and no change in the balance of the capital account takes place. However, to note down or to write down the appropriations or to consider the appropriations or adjustments, one separate account is opened, and that is known by the name of current account, partner's current account. So all of the appropriations, all of the adjustments are dealt with the help of the current accounts of the partners. So in case of fixed methodology or fixed method of the maintaining capitals, two accounts are prepared. One is current account, another is capital accounts of the partners. However, the capital account of the partners remains intact. The balance of the capital account does not change in any situation. There may be one exception to this also. If any change, if any drawing is taking place, and the drawing should be of permanent nature. Say for example, the capital has been withdrawn from the business permanently, then such type of permanent nature of drawings will be recorded in the capital account, and then only in that situation the capital account will not remain intact or the balance will change. Otherwise, all of the appropriations will be handled with the help of the current account. So this is one exception. Then in fixed capital methodology, balance of capital account does not change. Current account balances changes because the current account is separately maintained and all of the adjustments or appropriations are handled there in the current account. However, one more thing is that in fixed capital method, the current account may show a negative balance also. But then in fluctuating capital methodology, it is not possible because all of the balances or the capital account can't show any type of negative balance. So this is all about the fluctuating capital method and fixed capital method. However, I will take question number 5th B part of the Goyal and Goyal, and first we will take the fluctuating capitals. You see the question runs as follows. Anubha and Kajal entered into partnership sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. Their capitals were rupees 90,000 and rupees 60,000. The profit during the year were rupees 45,000. According to the partnership deed, both partners are allowed salary, rupees 700 per month to Anubha and rupees 500 per month to Kajal. Interest is allowed on capital at the rate of 5% per annum. The drawings during the period were rupees 8,500 for Anubha and rupees 6,500 for Kajal. Interest is to be charged at the rate of 5% per annum on drawings. Prepare partners' capital accounts, assuming that capital accounts are fluctuating. So you see, first of all, we have to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. So you see, the net profit as given in the question is rupees 45,000 will appear on the credit side by profit and loss account 45,000. Then you see the salary is there, and the to salary profit and loss appropriation account debited to salary. To Anubha it is rupees 8,400, Kajal 6,000, totally 14,400 in the outer column. To interest on capital, Anubha rupees 4,500. You see, the capitals were rupees 90,000 and 60,000. So at the rate of 5% per annum, it will be 4,500 for Anupa, interest on capital, and for Kajal, it will be rupees 3,000. Combinedly 7,500 in the outer column. And interest on drawings on Anupa. You see, one thing is there, as far as the interest on drawings is concerned, the drawings are given, and the drawings are given. For Anupa, it is rupees 8,500, and for Kajal, it is rupees 6,500. However, the date of drawings are not given. In such type of situation, when the dates of drawings are not given, at an average, the drawings are assumed that the calculation of drawings, interest on drawings is done for 6 months. So, we will assume that at an average, the drawings were made for 6 months. So, in that case, for Anupa, it will be rupees 2,213. For Kajal, it will be 163, totally 376. The total of the credit side will be 45,376. And after deducting the salary and interest on capital, there will be a profit of 23,476, which will be distributed among the partners, between the partners in the ratio of 2:1, 15,651 towards Anupa and towards Kajal 7,825. Now partners capital account, the balances are given. By balance brought down 90,000 and 60,000, salary 8,400 and 6,000, by interest on capital 4,500 and 3,000, by profit and loss appropriation, whatever the profit has been distributed 15,651 and 7,825. Then drawings have been made during the year. Anupa 8,500 and 6,500 Kajal. Partners capital account debited to drawings. To interest on drawings 213 and 163 as calculated above. And the balance will be 1,09,838 for Anupa, and for Kajal it will be 70,162.